Let me show you how to rename the file on the FTP server. All we need to do is to drag and drop FTP rename file action, select connection, select the folder, it is rather confusing why we have a mask here, but you see quite often we don't know the file name in advance. So if we have only one file in the folder, the mask is very handy because we can rename any file into what we want and make the name standard. Let's say, for example, we want to have data source. So 6 file. So let's connect. Let's run. So let's run and see what happens. Okay, the file is renamed. Let's check the content. Click connect. So here it is. Here's our new file. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please like and subscribe. And as usual, if you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum and ask it there, and we will do our best to help you. Thank you. Bye.